My tips for you today to make your first $1,000 with pay-per-call. If you follow these 3 tips I'm gonna give you, there is no way that you don't make $1,000 your first week with pay-per-call, even if you are a complete beginner. The very first tips: when you apply for an offer, always go to the offer and see the guideline of the company, what they want. When you go to the rules on any offer, you will see they give you what is the requirement. Sometimes they will tell you the time frame for you to receive the phone calls. They will let you know the geo, which is if it is nationwide, like all over USA, or if it is only for some states. Make sure you see that. And sometimes they will give you, that's the first tip, see the guideline first. They will give you some negative keywords. Maybe they can give you on Google Drive a link so you can find all the negative keywords you have to add to your ad when you make the ad on Google Ad. So if you have all these negative keywords, you're going to include them on your ad, because there are some keywords they don't want people to use these keywords to call them. So if these people use any of these keywords that they give you as negative keywords, you won't get paid, even if that person spent time over the phone. Make sure you see the number of phone calls per day that they can accept. They will give you the cap. They can tell you like 50 calls, or they can say unlimited calls. So just imagine if an offer accepts 50 calls and you already passed the 50 calls, you are, let's say, at least at 100 calls. You lost 50 phone calls, but every phone call costs you money. So Google will not reimburse you, but you lose this because you don't pay attention to the guideline. Always go to the offer. Make sure you see the offer clearly, all the details like the tools, the moderation, all the things related to how to promote the offer before you just jump to the offer and apply. Second tips I have for you. That's crucial. A lot of you make these mistakes. Never do this anymore. I teach my student with my coaching how to do this, but I can't even show you this because it's a whole coaching, like 4 days of coaching. Always have your website on your name. Remember, the website that's gonna have the landing page supposed to be on your name. So I use 2 main hosting websites. I use Bluehost and HostGator. You can create a website with this. If you want me to help you do this, I can help you create a brand new website. If you go right now to my website, type princeherly.sylvester.com, you're gonna see I create a blog site just for affiliate marketer. This is the model of website you're supposed to have, because when you will have to apply to some of these offers, if the landing page is like Weebly or ClickFunnels or things like that, they may not approve you for one reason. They know if it is not your website, you will not stick to this landing page so long. So they know you just, for 1 month or for a trial, you just take a trial in a landing page builder just to apply. And they take, when they approve you, you will not use this link for more than 2 months. So they just reject you. You apply and you get rejected. MarketCall will do that. Offer Group will do that, because they more likely to approve you if the website is in your name. The landing page you just create is from your website. I show my students how to create landing page for every offer and get approved instantly. All my students get approved instantly, and they get approved for offers. Any offers, they just apply the campaign, instantly they get approved and start running ads from the first hour after my training. So as I say, the second mistake you don't have to make, don't use landing page from a website builder like Kartra, ClickFunnels, all these things. They are very costly. They will cost you a lot of money, but at the same time, you will get rejected because it's not in your name. Second reason, you have to use your own website. For Google to be compliant with the Google terms of service and for all the guidelines of Google, when Google see the name that has the account is the same name that has the website, they're more likely to approve your ads. And even if they suspend your account, if you appeal them, you just make an appeal, they will answer your appeal quickly because they see it's your website. Because I show my students how to create this website and how to put on the footer menu some disclaimers, some privacy policy, terms of service. These are the things that Google try to find on your website before approving your ad. If you see your ad never approved on Google or you kick out quickly on Google, this is the reason. That's the second tip. Always have your main website on your name. You can have a website as just for $3. On Bluehost is the cheapest one. I'm gonna put a link with a coupon code. Just click on this link to create your first website using Bluehost. And you create your website and you just create a banner. I can help you with this. If you want me to coach you, I can coach you. I will help you. You create a website with your name, your picture, and all these things, and you keep blogging, post blog on it, and create landing page to promote affiliate offer. That's the whole idea. The last one, which is the best part, always make sure before you start running ads for an offer, you do two things. You make sure you have enough budget for it. Secondly, you make sure the keyword you're going to target has a high search volume and it is not prohibited on Google, that Google will not stop you from promoting this. A lot of you just jump and promote offers and Google don't want a certain keywords. You have to go to Google search, make a list of all the keywords that Google flag and see the offer that you're going to promote if it is not related to one of the keywords that Google flag. That happened recently to one of my students, and I just learned that. I didn't know if Google flagged people that are going to use brand name like Delta, American Airlines. If you use these on your campaign, your campaign will stop, and Google will say it's because the brand name that you use doesn't allow people to use their name. So make sure you try to find keywords that has a lot of search volume and less competition, but at the same time, which is not prohibited by Google, and you can start promoting the offer. Let's say you want to promote plumbing services. Make sure you go to Google, you type plumbing services. There is an extension called Keyword Everywhere. You can use this extension to find a lot of search result for the keyword to see if the competition is high, or my students know how to do that very well because I teach them how to do that. So that was the 3 tips. As a reminder, the first tips is to follow the guideline, never go out of the guideline. Always remember the time to post, to run the ad, the geo, and the ages. Sometimes they put the age of people. Make sure you follow everything related to the description of the offer before you start promoting. Secondly, make sure you use a website with your name, and I will help you to create the website. My coaching will take you by the hand and help you make your first conversion online. I will help you make your first conversion with pay-per-call. It is better than the training. My training is not the same value like you see me in person, because you ask me questions and you can have a difficulty and I help you quickly with it and I help you launch the ad. But on my training, you don't see me. You just see a recorded video. So if you prefer my training, the price just increase again. So it is not available now on Udemy. Don't go on Udemy, you won't find my training anymore. My training now is only available through my link on YouTube. And thank you guys. If you like and enjoy this video, make sure you like it, share with your friend, and let me know. You can, if you want me to coach you, you want me to be your mentor, for 4 days I will help you in 4 days make your first conversion. It was your friend as always, Vanel. Bye-bye.